Go.
Hi, my name is Dr. Justine from the Justine Blainey Wellness Center, and today we're going to talk about shoe wear. Many of us have had opportunities where we've had sore feet, and when you have sore feet, everything hurts, everything sucks. Plus, we've also seen times where our shoes are wearing out and we don't know why and what our reasons and how that affects our health. We've also had times where we're wearing shoes way too long and they've broken down, or you're the person who loves their flip-flops and they're horrible for you. So today we're going to talk about, sometimes they have people who overpronate. That means they roll in with their feet and their knees and their hips, which is overpronation. It leads towards things like flat feet, versus people who supinate, walk on the outside of their feet, and they get more bow-legged and more prone to fractures of the top part of their foot, the ball of their foot. So as we're dealing with shoe wear, you will see a pair of shoes often, you can see the wear and tear on the bottom of the shoe is uneven. You start to see wear into the heel and often to the big toe, because people walk from their big toe to their heel. But if you see a lot of wear and tear on the inside of the shoe, or on the inside here where it's pushing in, so when you look at the top of the shoe, it's shifted towards the center, you know that you're getting that overpronation. Versus if you're supinator, you're walking on the outside, you will see that the outside of the part of the shoe starts to go on the other side of the plastic. So some of the things when you see that uneven shoe wear, it is time to change your shoes. And very important, if you're a runner, you want to change your shoes on a more regular basis. For sometimes, if you're a long distance runner, you could be changing your shoes twice a year. When you're looking for runners, you want to be looking, and this is an amazing runner that my friend got, you're looking for two main things. If you're an overpronator, that means your foot turns in. You want to look at the inside of the shoe, and you want to make sure that you cannot push it down. It's not soft, it just doesn't flap over easily. Same on the outside, if you're supinator, should be about a hard sort of plastic part around the edge that will help hold your heel in a stable place. Next, on the bottom, you can see that there's more of a plastic part that will help with torque, so it doesn't twist. Similar with this shoe, you will see that it has a plastic part that stops the torque and harder part on the inside. So Asics, Brooks, Saucony are some good examples of shoes that have great support in comparison to, say, some of your weightlifting shoes. Converse, Nike, Adidas tend to have less support. When you're looking at a men's dress shoe, a women's dress shoe, again, you push on the inside, and you can see this just flaps right over, so that it doesn't have as much support as you need on the inside or the outside, because it easily flaps. But it does have more support on the sole, so it's not easy to torque, which makes it better. So a shoe like that, you could get support, an orthotic that you could put in. And these are custom orthotics from Germany. Has an arch on the inside, has an arch on the outside, and then an arch across the bottom. So it's helping with all three arches. Compared to the old style orthotics, that these are about 20 years old style, we see the fiberglass, you see that it can come apart and it has less support. It's harder compared to one that is softer, has more cushion. And they can be customized to different size shoes. When you're looking at sandals, if you're not doing custom, and just like a Birkenstock or some of your sandals with nails, you want to look for one that has an arch on the inside. So those flip-flops, yes, they're horrible for your feet. So they're good for the shower, not good for a long walk. They might look cute, but they're not good for your knees and your hips and your back. So Birkenstock has numerous different options, but so does Nayot. Again, you're looking for it to have an arch support. So hang in there, make a good choice. We're here to help you at the Justine Blainey Wellness Center. When you take care of your feet, you're taking care of your whole body.